Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I want us to talk about the Toyota Probox, Toyota Succeed, and I'll show you a Toyota Sienna in this video. But before we even go further, you can get these cars on our purchase. You need a deposit of only 400,000 Kenyan shillings and clear the balance in 1 to 3 years. So I'll show you the Toyota Sienna I have prepared for you, and I'll tell you what you need on our purchase and the cash prices for both Toyota Probox and Toyota Succeed. So right here is 2019 Toyota Sienna. It is 7-seater, and you can get both the hybrid and the non-hybrid. This one is 1500cc hybrid, 1.6 million. You need a deposit of only 600,000. Now let's talk about the Toyota Probox and Succeed. They are identical, just that for the Toyota Succeed you get only 1500cc, both hybrid and non-hybrid. It comes on both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. For the cash price, we are talking about 1.45 million Kenya shillings. And if you want it on our purchase, you can deposit 400,000 and clear the balance in 1 to 3 years. That's good deal. Let's talk about the Toyota Probox. It comes with 1500cc hybrid, 1500cc non-hybrid, and the 1300cc. 1500cc you get both four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. For the 1300cc you get only the two-wheel drive drivetrain. When you talk about the deposit needed for the Toyota Probox, we are talking about 400,000 Kenya shillings and clear the balance in 1 to 3 years. You can get both Toyota Probox and Succeed in the 1 power window, 2 power window, or you can get the fully loaded options. For the Toyota Probox, we call it the Toyota Probox F Extra, which comes with upper window, and it comes with the rear seat headrest. The cash price for the Toyota Probox is 1.35 for the 1500cc. If you need the 1300cc, 1.3 million Kenya shillings. Kindly note, the Probox you see here, the mileage are very low. The auction grade is 4.5, meaning the cars are extremely clean. Now let's talk about the requirements. If you want these cars on hire purchase, you will need the deposit I have said 400,000. You will need to pay for the tracker, which is 20,000 Kenya shillings, and you need a comprehensive car insurance. You can pay separately, or they can be included into the installments. I know someone is almost asking me how much they will be paying per month. The monthly installment is not fixed, and it depends with the specific car you will choose. That is, if it is 1500cc, 1300cc, or if it's hybrid. Again, the monthly installment will depend with the payment period you choose. So if you want a rough quotation or exact quotation, maybe you can call me on 07418373, located in Mombasa. And as I finalize this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll be giving you very good deals on all cars. Any car you are looking for, just call me. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe.